After 4 days, a jury has finally been seated in the trial of a Broken Arrow teenager accused of stabbing 5 members of his family to death. Thank you for staying with us. I'm Brian Dorman.
I'm Ashley Isbicki. The jury pool consists of 11 women and 3 men. News on 6's Taylor Newcomb spent the day in the courtroom. She is on the story with what we can expect next.
It's been 4 long days, but the judge has finally seated a jury of 12 people and 2 alternates to hear the evidence in Michael Bever's case. Bever is accused of stabbing his parents and 3 of his siblings to death.
Just to have citizens in our community who know how difficult this case is going to be, and they're going to be willing to sit and listen to that evidence, view that evidence, it's going to be tough.
One thing attorneys on both sides can agree on, it's going to be brutal. Bever's defense attorney did not comment after court today, but he repeatedly asked jurors if they were sure they could handle seeing and hearing the details of the crime.
This is going to be an emotional issue, and it'll remain that way for the rest of these people's lives.
We already know the jury will hear from the surviving sister, who was 13 years old at the time of the crime.
For that young lady, in many respects, she's the reason that her little sister is alive.
Jurors will also hear the 911 call placed by 12-year-old Daniel before he died, among other sensitive pieces of evidence.
I think people always have some kind of preconceived notion about what's going to happen in a criminal case, and then when the reality hits, it's hard.
I will be in the courtroom all day tomorrow along with Lori Fulbright. We'll bring you as many updates as we can. On the scene on the story at the Tulsa County Courthouse, Taylor Newcomb, News on 6.